Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up this little 1/4-inch hex socket set. I want to get this cleaned up and put in my wife's toolbox. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this little socket set, I want to get this cleaned up so I can put it in my wife's toolbox in the house. She's got a pretty substantial little toolbox in there, but she said she wanted something for the patio furniture. There's a bunch of little bolts that hold our patio furniture together, and she doesn't have the right size, so I figured I'd clean these up and get these ready for her. So let's pull this apart. I didn't see a maker's mark. It just says made in USA, and all of the sockets just say made in USA. So they're probably going to look that shiny when they're all done. The only markings on here, it says patent December 12th, 1922. You can see that it originally had a red paint job. We're going to change that up. So I say we take this stuff to the wire wheel and start cleaning on it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, like I said in videos before, I'm going to be product testing a whole lot of stuff that the good people over at Carzilla sent me. This is from a company called Gyeon. It's a metal polish. I want to see how well it works on these little sockets, so let's jump right into that. I'm going to put just a little trace on each socket. We'll let it dry up, tack up a little bit, you know. Then we'll go over it with the Dremel. We'll see what it looks like. I'm quite curious because this doesn't feel like any normal polish. It's got a much different consistency that I'm used to. And of course we'll do the wrench for it as well. I'm sure this little cotton tip will be just fine. Get you zoomed in a little bit. Alright guys, well, it came out really, really well. To be honest with you, I am quite surprised. I mean, a polish is a polish, right? But when I was putting the polish on, it's a very thick polish, and I'm not used to that. I'm used to more of a thin type of polish. But, you know, I mean, it came out good. I'm not going to give it my final decision yet. I want to wait. I want to do a bigger project with it and really see how it performs. But as of right now, I kind of like the metal polish from Gyeon. So we will most definitely be using this later on down the road. That cotton bud's pretty much used up, but hey, it is what it is, right? All that metal is nice, clean, and polished up. So that is awesome. I do need to give it a wipe down with the rag, get all the excess off there, and that'll pretty much be it. Other than that, we're going to start on the little socket holder. Let me get some brake clean on this and I will give it a better clean job. We'll hang it up and paint it. Alrighty guys, we're going to go with the gloss sage green. It's just a real quick coat. All right, well, paint is all dry. I like that sage green. It's a unique color. I really do like it. All right, well, we're gonna load all of our sockets back up into here. I did show you how nice the sockets came out. I'm quite happy with that polish. I'm not going to give it a rating yet. I want to use it on a larger project. I think that would be a lot more fair. And I think I just put that in backwards. Yes, I did. Oh, there we go. Oop, back it up. Got to go that way. There we go. There is the little set that I'm going to throw in the Mrs. toolbox. She was asking for a little set like this, like I said, for the patio furniture. The bolts and nuts always wind up coming loose on there, so she wants to go through and tighten them up. And, well, I think this little set is perfect for her, so. And that's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well, the little hexed socket set came out really, really nice. I'm quite happy with it. I really am. I couldn't ask for a better little cleanup job. I do like that sage paint. I think the polish worked really good, and I'm overall very happy. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.